I am a Disney nut. I love going to the Disney parks for vacation. There's so much to see, you get to act like a kid, there's all these great rides.
And part of that means waiting in long lines.
Yeah, that whole waiting part is not fun, but Disney has a new app to help pass the time in line. It's called Play Disney Parks. There are many layers to the app. There's music, trivia games, scavenger hunts, achievements to unlock. But the most interesting thing are these games that you can only play if you're standing in line at a certain ride. I tried it out at Toy Story Mania in Disney's Hollywood Studios. In this ride, you are inside Andy's bedroom. Waiting in line, the Play app has you on a mission to help Woody and the gang build this carnival toy set. At one point, you may be collecting targets for Woody, or you could be gathering balloons for Trixie the dinosaur. And when you're on the ride, you're zipping around trying to shoot those same targets and balloons.
What makes these games unique is that they're themed to the line and the ride you're about to go on, and you're playing with your friends and family.
This is not designed like a typical app game. Your whole group plays off of one person's phone. You pass the phone around to complete challenges. Sometimes it's interactive, where others have to yell out the answers.
Snake! Yep. Just make sure your Bluetooth and location are turned on, and the app automatically knows what line you're in, and the game will begin.
The app can also tell how fast you're moving through the line, and the gameplay will adjust. So it feels like your game has a start, middle, and end to the story. But there's even a bit of magic that happens outside the app. The games can activate special effects in the line. At Peter Pan's flight in Disneyland, Tinkerbell can appear. At Space Mountain in Magic Kingdom, look up at the ceiling before boarding and you'll see an animation of a space race showing how your rocket ship scored against other players. Not every ride has a game. The team at Disney says they are working on more content, including activities that are tied to the new Star Wars land, Galaxy's Edge, opening next year. You don't want to be sucked into your phone on a vacation, but at least now it can be used to enhance the story and interact with the world and the people around you.
Now, only if there was an app to deliver ice cream in line, because it's hot.